Welcome friends to our new video. In this video we are learning new topic English speaking course day 2. If first you not watch the day 1, in the link is given in the description. So our chapter number 3 is that the verbs and their kinds. In the first video we learned about the noun, pronoun and parts of speech. So in this video we are about part 1, verbs and their kinds. Each of these verbs may be classified as finite and infinite verbs. We know that verbs are like action. An action is created by the human being. So finite verb क्या होता है कि verbs that are limited by number. Verbs that are limited by number or person of the object are said to be finite verbs. उसके बाद उसका एग्जाम्पल देना जाए तो he is a student and we too are students of this college. So इधर R ये जो ये R है ना, ये R इधर फिनाइट वर्ब है क्योंकि ये एक स्टूडेंट को और दूसरे स्टूडेंट को रिकॉग्नाइज करता है, मतलब उन स्पेसिफिक पर्सन के लिए. उसके बाद माई aunt lives in Pune. सो इधर लीव्स ये फिनाइट वर्ब है. उसके बाद नॉन फिनाइट वर्ब. Non-finite verb is verbs that are not limited by number of the and person of the subjects are said to be non-finite verbs. So in the finite verbs we learn that the finite verbs are used for only one person. So example of non-finite verb is I saw some birds flying across the sky. Here the birds are not verified as a number. So here the use of some, some is a word that verify as a non-finite verb. Secondly, the cloth have been given for ironing. Here ironing is a non-finite verb. So if I hope you understand this lecture. This lecture is too many short because there are there is a classify in this chapter for only verbs and their kinds. So I hope you understand this all. In the next day 4 we are learning all about the figure of speech. So stay with us and subscribe for our new videos and like, share, subscribe and stay us. Bye.